everybody, welcome to MIC Toys. Today we're taking a closer look at the Lego limited edition ice skating rink. There's nice snowy pine trees. There's a fountain in the middle of the ice skating rink. At the back, there's a hot chocolate store with 2 minifigures included in this set. The box looks really wintry and chilly. The minifigures have different faces. Let's rip it open. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 bags of Lego and an instruction booklet. I will see you in a moment. A moment has passed. Let's take a closer look at the ice arena. There's 4 brown benches around the ice rink. There's a frozen fountain in the middle. There's a lot of snow. There's 2 snowy pine trees. Lego used cheese wedges as their snow, white cheese wedges. There's white studs at the top and even the lamp. There's a wreath at top of the hot chocolate store. There's some money and 2 mugs. If the minifigure doesn't have any skates, they can rent some here. Let's see what's making it smooth. At the side, we have a blue gear where we can turn, and the ice rink will turn, or the pieces in the middle. We can put some minifigures. We can take the skates, put it on their foot, and they can skate. They only have 1 skate per leg because they wouldn't stay on the round tile. And they can dance. Kevin, you're going so fast. You too, Adora. I'm feeling that I want some hot chocolate. Me too. Let's take off our skates. Wait for me. Can we have 2 cups of hot chocolate? Thank you very much. This hot chocolate's really good. Let's go sit on the bench. Which one do you want to sit on? That one on the right. When we drink this hot chocolate, I'm going back on the ice. Me too. It's so much fun. Whippy! It's a solid 10 out of 10 in my opinion. There's so much playability. I love this set. And you can add it to your Lego city. You can move. They can dance. And call me crazy, but we decided to give the set away. We'll be only sending this to the United States and Canada, excluding Hawaii and Alaska. All you have to do, you have to comment down below why you like this set. You have to be a subscriber to this channel and you have to like. Merry Christmas, everybody. Please like, subscribe, share, and comment. See you later. Goodbye.